Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for February 2026. So, general reading, just take what resonates. So, pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. And another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Beware of fake accounts, okay? So, let's begin. What is the energy for you ngayong February 2026? Ang arte. Okay. Aries, February 2026. What's the energy? Oh, meron kang marirealize kung ano, sino ang mga tao, bagay, sitwasyon na hindi para sa'yo. Like you will realize, this is not for me. You will have to change something. Okay? A message in a bottle. There's an important message coming in February na pwedeng ito yung magiging dahilan rin ng mga realizations mo na okay, this is not meant for me. For example, meron kang mga pinupursue na let's say relationship o kaya career, trabaho, projects. And then you receive this message na it's not for you. So, always remember that rejection is redirection. So, ano lang, kalmahan mo lang, chill ka lang, kasi it's not for you eh. So, you're going to be very flexible. It means that marami kang kayang gawin. Hindi mo kawalan yan, yung mga bagay na marirealize mo na hindi para sa'yo. Kasi nga, if it's meant to be, it will be. If it's not meant for you, it's not meant for you. Okay? Kasi pag pinilit mo yan, ikaw rin ang masustress. Ikaw rin ang challenge. So, flexibility is about adaptability. So, pwedeng meron kang mga ibang susubukan ng mga opportunities na nung una hindi mo akalain na kaya mo or gusto mo. Pero, eventually, you will be directed to that dahil maaring ito ay part ng iyong destiny. Yeah, it's part of your destiny. So, let's see what else. For Aries. Aries. Okay, this is the overall energy. Naku, baliktad tayo. Yung ano ko, cards ko, may mga baliktad. I don't read ano kasi. Yung sa mga tatanong dyan, bakit binabaliktad ko? Kasi baka may times na reverse yung cards. So, ganon. Kasi I don't read reversals. May mga times kasi na napapabaliktad yung cards kapag nilagay siya pag pinagsama-sama ulit. Anyway, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na maaring you may feel like parang mag-isa ka lang, you feel na wala kang kakampi. Alam nyo kasi si Saturn, I think later part ng February yan, papasok na siya sa sign ng Aries, sa Western Tropical Astrology. So, maaring makaramdam ka ng ganyan, later part ng February na parang hindi ka pamilyar sa sitwasyon mo. Lalo na si Neptune din nandyan. So, may energy rin ni Neptune. Now, the challenge for you is, ano yung gusto mo or something that you need to start? Something that excites you. Kasi dun ka kukuha ng inspiration. Yun yung hahanapin mo. Kasi if, let's say for example, sa career mo, sa sitwasyon na meron ka, even sa relationship, you feel like parang hindi na to yung gusto mo eh. Na parang, kumbaga parang alienated ka na this is not for me. I'm not comfortable with this. Parang it's hindi na komportable ganon. You may feel na parang it's time to let this go and find that spark within you kung ano yung pwede mong masimulan. Some of you, this is career beginnings, okay? Or travel opportunities. So, sa career, pwedeng it's time to let go of the old and start something new. na mas akma sa gusto mo. And then, also, kung may sitwasyon ka ngayon na parang hindi mo na gusto yung environment mo, change the environment. However, it's going to be challenging kasi pwedeng you will still hold on doon sa kung ano yung nakasanayan mo. Doon ka na makakaramdam ng feeling stuck kasi hindi ka nagiging open sa pagbabago. Oo. 'Di ba? Why are you going to expect change? Bakit mag-expect ka ng pagbabago kung wala ka namang binabago sa sitwasyon mo? 'Di ba? Now, the opportunity is ang ganda, Teka, anuhan lang natin siya. Kasi baka ma-flag na naman tayo. Okay. The opportunity is the world. Okay? The world is about completion, success. Meron na talagang natapos na chapter sa buhay mo. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw na lang yung makulit na pinipilit mo yan. So, you have the opportunity to move to a new direction. Dahil, na-complete mo na natapos mo na 'di ba? So, meron kang reward for something that you have accomplished, no? So, if ikaw ay may nasimulan, project, trabaho, business, or anything na sa tingin mo nagawa mo na yung role mo doon, nagawa mo na yung best mo para doon. And it's time to move, to leave, and then do it. Kasi may reward na naghihintay sa'yo pag inalaw mo na yung sarili mo to move forward. Okay? The blessing. This is the Justice card. The Justice card is about equality, balance, no? And also karma. So, yung iba kasi takot sa karma. Ang karma kasi naman this is something that you need to fulfill para mag-level up ka. 'Di ba? Kaya nga maraming mga tao na feeling stuck sa buhay nila is because they are not fulfilling their karma and they are running away from their karma. Iniiwasan nila, tinatakbuhan nila. Kung hinarap mo 'yon, edi sana nag-level up ka na. Ganon. Para siyang laro. Mga games, 'di ba? Na you have to fulfill or finish this task para mag-level up ka. Pero hangga't ayaw mong ayusin 'yon, ikumpleto 'yon, harapin 'yon, edi stuck ka talaga, no? So the blessing here is you will have a realization of what you need to do. It's like awakening. So, let's see kung saan ka magfo-focus. Ano yung focus ng mga Aries ngayong 2026? What's the focus? You're going to focus on your stability. Yeah? Makes sense kasi this is your energy pag-start ng February. And then, this is going to meet. Magmi-meet yan dapat. Okay? Otherwise, you will feel stuck. Okay? So, your focus is paano mo i-stabilize yung finances mo, yung resources mo, kasi nandito yung iyong security. 'Di ba? You will feel secure, you will feel at peace when you have resources that you need, when you have the people that you need. Okay? So, some of you naman, meron kayong aayusin related sa inyong inheritance, no? Kung meron kayong mga mana-mana dyan. Ang inheritance ay hindi lang siya pera, hindi lang rin siya gamit. This can also mean talent. Let's say, like a recipe from your lola. O yung recipe na yon kung paano gumawa ng puto. O kaya, kung paano gumawa ng kaldereta. Pwedeng pag namana mo yung recipe na yon, you can use this, no? Pwede mo gamitin to start a business. 'Di ba? Or a skill. Galing, abilidad, talento, ganun. Pwedeng yun na minamana rin. Or even sakit. Kaya, we have to manage everything na ayusin natin, bigyan natin ng focus, bigyan natin ng atensyon. Para hindi natin yan maging problema moving forward. Okay? So, what else? Unconditional love. This unconditional love, most of the time, you give it to yourself. Ako, advocate ako ng pag-focus sa sarili. Kasi kung hindi maayos yung sarili mo, mentally, emotionally, physically, spiritually, hindi mo rin ma-share ng maayos yung sarili mo sa iba. You can also hurt other people. But if you focus on yourself first, mahalin mo yung sarili mo ng walang kapalit. 'Di ba? Loving yourself doesn't mean selfish ka. But you have to be selfish first para makatulong ka sa iba. 'Di ba? Ano ba 'yun? May kasabihan, you cannot pour from an empty cup. Gets mo? So kung walang laman yung cup, hindi ka pwede magsalin kahit saan. 'Di ba? So lamanan mo muna yung cup mo. And that cup symbolizes the love, unconditional love for yourself. 'Di ba? Yung iba kasi hinahanap nila yung love na yan sa ibang tao na mabubuo lang sila pag may nagmahal sa kanila. Whereas dapat ikaw muna yung magmamahal sa sarili mo. And the first thing to do para mahalin sarili mo is to not rely that love from other people. Kasi pag nawala yung other people na yan, ano ka? 'Di ba? Wala. Ikaw ang mahihirapan. So, when you have love for yourself, it is going to be shared to others. Hindi siya kinukuha sa iba. Sinishare siya sa iba. Okay? Oh, what did I tell you? Kanina, security. This is your focus. Your focus is financial security. Napaka-importante niyan. Kasi, let's face it, we are living in this realm, in this world na materialistic. We really need resources, tangible things, tangible items, money, things, food, that will give you security. So, pag inayos mo yung security mo, you will never feel alone. And insecurity na rin na to is yung sarili mo You are secure. When someone is insecure, 'di ba? This person is not stepping into his or her higher self highest self Wala siyang confidence. So, but if you have that security, and if you have love for yourself, then definitely, you can move mountains. Marami kang kayang gawin. Kasi, alam mo sa sarili mo, na may magmahal man sa'yo o wala, meron bang taong mag-appreciate sa'yo o wala, mahal mo yung sarili mo. And that will bring or give you confidence. And when you have that confidence, you will always feel secured. 'Di ba? Okay. What else? Aries. February 2026 for Aries. What's the energy? Birth? Oh! Etong birth na to, it doesn't have to be actual birth, no? Yung panganganak. Kasi hindi naman lahat nanganganak. Okay? But Venus in the 4th house, Venus is your love. Venus is your care. The 4th house is your foundation. You are caring for your foundation. You are caring for the people you love. Okay? So some of you, kayo ay mas magfo-focus sa family. Mas magfo-focus sa sarili mo, internally, no? And this can also mean na, pwede rin tong literal na birth for others, no? If you are pregnant, or kung merong pregnant sa family. But this is a beautiful and peaceful birth para sa inyo. You have Venus in Virgo in the 6th house. Okay, Venus is also love. Virgo in the 6th house. You will take care of yourself. Okay, you're going to take care of your health. When we say health, kalusugan mo, that includes physically, mentally, emotional, spiritual health. Okay? You will choose the best for you. Hindi ka na yung tipong aasa lang sa mga tira-tira. Hindi ka na yung tipong magiging okay lang sa kung ano yung merong nasa harap sa'yo. nasa harap mo. You will look for something that has value. Valuable sa buhay mo. This can apply sa relationship, sa career, trabaho mo. If what you do is not valuable, then what's the reason bakit nandun ka pa? 'Di ba? Kaya some of you may feel na parang, why am I here? Bakit nandito ako sa relationship na to? Hindi ako naalagaan, naaasikaso, parang wala lang ako dito. Or bakit nandito ako sa trabaho na to? Hindi ako napapansin, hindi ako nabibigyan ng promotion, walang magandang break. So, this is something that you will value ngayong February. You will value yourself because alam mo kung ano ang dine-deserve mo. Okay? You know what you deserve. And you will get what you deserve. Oh my God! Aries, sabi rito, uncover the DT within. Alam yung DT, it's like the sovereignty. Yung DT is like the power. This is like the queen and the king. Okay? So you will uncover that. Ito yung din-deserve mo. Yung a very powerful energy, a very powerful person na kaya niyang gawin yung mga gusto niya nang walang pumipigil sa kanya. This person is not bowing to anyone. Tama ba? Bowing. You don't bow to others. You are meant to be on your own. Okay? So you will uncover that. You will see through your value. You will realize your value. And you will look for that value within your heart. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.